Happy Wellness Wednesday. So you guys are in my bedroom because I want to share with you what I do so I can sleep good every single night. So I'm a woman of a particular age, and so therefore I need help sometimes sleeping. Now usually the help is in the form of my fan and my earplugs, and then I have to have something over my eyes. Well, let me just show you what I'm talking about. All right. So this is my side of the bed. We live in an RV, and this is my little side. So this is my fan, which is a great fan. I use this tape to cover a light that's on here that's too bright. And then this is the sound machine that I use when my husband's snoring too loud when I first get in the bed, because the fan doesn't do it well enough to cover up that noise. And then I have, this is what I put over my eyes, and then I have earplugs. So that's the way I used to just go to sleep, but it's become where that isn't enough, because sometimes my husband is snoring too loud. So this is what I'm doing now. So now before I go to bed, I always come to the bathroom before I go to bed, but this is what I'm using now to help me with when I go to bed. This is right here is called SLUMBER. SLUMBER is a terpene. It is not an essential oil. It's not CBD. It's not melatonin. This is from plants and flowers, and all of them have specific properties that help your body. So you take a dropper full of this under your tongue before you go to bed. I also take my vitamin D before I go to bed. And that's what I do first. So why would you choose a terpene over maybe some other sleep product? Well, terpenes do not have melatonin. Terpenes do not have CBD. Terpenes do not have essential oils in it. So if you have a sensitivity to any of those, the terpene is the best bet. Now, as for me, I don't have any sensitivities. The reason why I like, and let me say, love this product. Let me show you how I love this product. I have 3 of them. 3. I bought 3. Yes, 3 of them. And I got what's in that cabinet right now. Yes, that's what I did. This product has helped me at the point where I hear my husband snoring and I can't sleep because I hear him snoring. That's the only problem. So it gives me restful sleep. In fact, let me read what it says. It says it's a blend of specialized terpenes. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. It's a blend of specialized terpenes. It has magnolia bark, passion flower, chamomile, and the terpene elixir helps you get quality sleep. That is the deal. Quality sleep. You want to be able to have really good sleep. It promotes rest and relaxation, assists in restful sleep, supports natural overnight rejuvenation, and it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants. What do antioxidants do? They help your body not be inflamed, and they help keep your skin nice. And they help your whole body work better. So this product, where is it? Hold on, let me find it. What did I do with that? Oh, here it is. This product, SLUMBER, is my favorite product, or one of my favorite products in my company. And it can help you just like it helps me. Now, you may have a different chemistry. Maybe for you, melatonin is good. Maybe for you, CBD is good. We have 3 sleep products that will help you have a better night's sleep. So, come over, Give it a try. You got a 30-day money-back guarantee. Come and give it a try. Happy Wellness Wednesday.